Hi guys, this is Yuki and this is another video tutorial to explain how to bring tokens from other chains all the way to Say network. So if, for example, you got some XRP or some Ethereum and you want to bring them to Say network in order to invest in meme coin like MILLI token, for example, that is ripping, or if you just want to invest in Say because it's doing very well, here's the way to do it. So first, a little word about Say. It's a very fast and very cheap new blockchain. I recommend that you go to the website, all the links in the description, and you learn a little bit more about it. But basically, it's very, very fast and very, very cheap. You can see it's already quite popular and more than 500,000 followers on Twitter. Also, it's making the headlines, being part of the next Grayscale crypto staking fund. That makes me very bullish on Say. If what you're interested in is MILLI token, then here you go. MILLI, the bond killer, leaves Dogecoin, Shiba Inu in the dust, surging over 70% in a single day. So it's been ripping way more than 70% over a whole week. I think I did time 10 already, and very, very bullish on MILLI. So let's get into it. First, you will need the Compass wallet. That's your main wallet for everything that you will be doing on the Say network, from swapping, from buying NFTs, from doing DeFi, from connecting with any dApp that's linked to the Say network that is working on the Say network ecosystem. You will need the Compass wallet. To download the Compass wallet, you can either Google Compass wallet for Say and click on the link and find this web page, or click on the link in the description and get here directly. Then you get Compass, install it. So once you've installed the Compass wallet, you need to click on it and create a new wallet. So this is your wallet. There's no one else in charge but yourself. Make sure you save your seed phrase, which is your password, if you need to recover your wallet in any situation. Then you'll have your wallet right here, and this here is your address, the address of your wallet. You need to copy paste this one, and you'll need to copy paste it many times, so make sure you know how to find it. It's right here. So now we're going to try and see how to move Say from crypto.com all the way to Compass. So let's assume you have a crypto.com account. When you connect, you will land on this screen, and what you want to do is first you want to buy some Say. Let's see what pair is trading on crypto.com for Say. Right now we land on the BTC USD chart, so you need to be looking for the Say. And you can see that crypto.com has two pairs trading for Say, either USD or USDT. So you can choose whichever you like, whichever you have in your wallet, to be able to buy some Say. There you go. Let's pick this one up. If you want to make it simple, you can just choose market price and buy. There, you don't need to put the price because it's going to be market price. Just need to put how many Say you want, and you're going to be able to pay with your USD or your USDT if you choose USDT instead. And then buy, boom, you'll have your Say ready to use in your crypto.com wallet. Once you have some Say in your crypto.com wallet, you go to wallet. It should appear here in your list, and you see I don't have any at the moment, but let's just imagine I have some. I just click on withdraw, choose external wallet, and here I'm going to need to add a new wallet, add withdrawal wallet. When I do that, it's going to ask for me to confirm a few things about my new wallet. But basically, I'm going to use my Compass address wallet, copy paste, put it here, paste, add the new wallet, and then withdraw all of it. And then you can review everything and send. And a few minutes later, you'll get your Say on your Compass wallet. And from there, you can use it to trade MILLI and everything else you want. So this is it for crypto.com. If you're more of a Coinbase person, here is where you land after logging into your Coinbase account. And you will need to switch view to get to the advanced trading view. So you click on your profile picture up there and you choose advanced. There you will land on the window that is quite similar to the one we saw on crypto.com. And the same thing you need to do, find which pairs are trading on with say on Coinbase. And right now we can see that there's only one, and it's the USDC. So we pick this one, and then all you need to do, of course, is to provide your wallet with some USDC that you can buy with Ethereum or Bitcoin or XRP. Anything you can change for USDC, just do that. So then you have USDC, and then you can change USDC for say. So once you have your USDC, you can go to this window. You can see say USDC. And then up there, we want to buy. I recommend that you use the market order so you don't have to worry about putting a price or waiting for your order to pass, someone to buy. So you just choose the market order, the amount of say that you want to buy, say 500, and then it will give you the price in USDC, and you just do buy, and a few seconds later, you'll have your say in your Coinbase wallet. And from there, you'll be able to see one more line with the say and your balance right here. And that's it. Once you have your say on your Coinbase wallet, you do the withdraw window. Obviously, I don't have any crypto on my Coinbase because I don't really like Coinbase, but you would get send window with a field for the address. So you would get the address here again from your Compass, copy paste, put the address here in your Coinbase, the amount you want to send, and click send. And a few minutes later, you would have your say on your Compass wallet. That's it for Coinbase. So the third thing I want to show you is, for example, if you have Ethereum or Bitcoin or whichever crypto you want to bridge in your MetaMask or on another wallet or on another exchange, and you don't want to be bothered doing what I did in the step previously, you can just go to Simply Swap. They make it very, very easy for you to send anything to say. Basically, they will get whichever amount of crypto you send them and turn it into say and send you the say in result. So for example, if you want to send some Ethereum, let's say 1 Ethereum, over there you want to send 1 Ethereum worth of say. There you go. 1 Ethereum is going to buy you 4,475 say. Click exchange. So they're going to ask you where you want the say to be sent. So once more, we go into the Compass wallet, copy paste, put the address right here, paste it, make sure it's the right thing. You don't need a memo. I agree, I don't want a memo, and then create exchange. The next step is for you to actually send the 1 ETH that you pledge to this address. Once you've confirmed, obviously I don't have 1 ETH to invest for this video, but if you want to tip me, I'll put the link in the description. So once you've confirmed, you'll get the exchanging and it will be sent to your wallet, and then a few moments later, you'll get some say on your Compass wallet. There is a commission obviously for a service, but still very reasonable considering how easy they make the whole thing happen. That's it, guys. Once your money is on say, you can start trading MILLI and make a shit ton of money. And if you do, please subscribe and like my channel to bring more people onto the Say network. And that's it, guys. Have fun. Cheers.